In this video, we're going to be doing some mulch landscaping. We're going to go ahead and remove all of this old rock and debris and replace it with some brand new mulch. We got 3 yards of brown cedar mulch right here. Got a good deal for it. It was only 80 bucks. First step, we're going to be pulling out all of the rock and moving it to another place. All right, here we're doing a final rake and scratch to get all the debris off. Something we're considering is sloping the ground away from the house so that water doesn't accumulate up against the house. All right, we just got the landscaping fabric down. This is going to prevent weeds from growing up in through the mulch as the months go by. We got our guy over here putting in one more stake in the corner. Ground's frozen, so he's got to pierce the ground with a screwdriver. But we got all these spikes in, the nails, the fabric nails. We just kind of put them around the edges so that the wind doesn't kick it up, and then, you know, put some in the middle. And then now we're going to start laying down some mulch. Over here, we're still removing some of the rock and debris and leveling the ground the way we want it. All right, here we are, job complete. Just used the leaf blower everywhere as well to get all the nails and random stuff out of the driveway.